Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mailchimp audiences used for no-code app onboarding, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Mailchimp audiences for no-code app onboarding, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select All Audiences. Identify the audience you wish to backup and click on its name. Once in the Audience dashboard, locate the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Click on Export Audience to begin the export process. Choose the fields you want to include in your backup. You can select all fields or only the ones relevant to your onboarding process. After making your selection, click on the Export as CSV button. Mailchimp will prepare the file and send you an email notification when it's ready for download. Check your email for the notification and click on the link provided. Download the CSV file to your computer. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure it meets your requirements for onboarding. If necessary, organize or format the data to align with your app's onboarding process. Save the organized file in a secure location on your device or cloud storage. This completes the backup of your Mailchimp audiences for no-code app onboarding. Now you can confidently proceed with your onboarding process, knowing your audience data is safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.